Hi, Bob Freeman here at MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're going to talk about the Sea Ray 2023-25 Sun Deck. It's a very cool boat, loaded with options on it. It's powered by the Mercury, 300 horsepower, a ton of horsepower, made in America on this. It's extremely quiet, very little vibration. Let's hop on board the Sea Ray. Here we are on board the 250 Sun Deck. Let's start at the back again. The Merc 300 horsepower, phenomenal motor. One of the cool things on this boat is a lot of times with the outboards on the back, you lose your swim platform. You have a huge swim platform back there, so you can utilize it very nicely. You have storage. Over here, you got your batteries easily accessible and huge storage that goes all the way underneath, which is kind of cool. Drink holders, everything else. You've got the setup with the bench seat facing backwards with the stereo, so as far as hanging out, remote control, just a really nice place to hang out. And then when you're inside the boat, you just take it, slide it, you go like that, and now it's your seating when you're on the inside of the boat. So very versatile, very cool function on this here. So you've got the L-shaped seating. Again, some storage all underneath it. You have a cooler underneath here as well. And as we've got a seat over here, you just go like that. You can lounge facing this way, and then you can do the same thing with this one here. You know, lounge facing the other way as well. So nice feature for just hanging out on the boat. So very cool. The helm, you get the sim rad. You can split that screen up, so you can look at two different screens. You can put a fish finder in here if you wanted to read the depth really well. But just very nicely set up. Great sound system on it. And then one of the neat features on this boat is the bimini used to be smaller on these, and they've now they've extended it on both ends, so you got very nice sun coverage on this. Rocking sound system on this, obviously. But what's cool is if you're on the boat and you run into some kind of foul weather, it's raining, kind of a pain to sit here and drive in the rain, not fun at all actually. All you got to do is take this, bring it down, and now I can drive the boat. So I can drive the boat without getting rain pummeling me in the face. So it's a very nice feature, what they've done with this all the way around the board. And it's like two fingers. You're up, you're down. Very cool, very easy. So it's got a little cabin. And in the little cabin, you've got a pump out head. And then you've got a little lie down area, so you've got cushions all the way through here, and then all I have to do is take this, lay it down, you hop right out so you can see it, and now you can actually take a nap. So a couple of adults can take a nap down there, the kids can go down there and get out of the sun type of thing. So very cool feature for a 225-foot boat. So we move up to the bow. So set up nicely, you can put a half a dozen adults up here. You've got drink holders, you've got stereo speakers, handrails on it. You've got the anchor locker right here, a little shower for the if you're coming on board to go up to the beach. So you got a little shower right there as well. And it's just a great all-around boat. It handles very well. It's very dry. You'll absolutely love it. So if you'd like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.